Hello, my presentation is on the Dutch Golden Age artist Rachel Ruysch, pronounced Raquel Ruysch in Dutch. We begin with a little history. In 1648, the Netherlands became independent from Spain, which allowed for economic prosperity to the region. Between the international trade and the thriving capitalistic economy, a wealthy middle class was created. In 1664, Rachel was born into this world of wealth. She was one of 12 children to Marie Post. Her father was Frederick Ruysch. When Rachel was 3, the family moved from The Hague to Amsterdam and lived on Bloemgracht, or the Flowering Canal, popular for visiting artists. Father Fred was a professor of anatomy and later professor of botany at the city's botanical garden. Fred collected animal, plant, and human body parts, which he kept in his cabinet of curiosities, which spanned 5 rooms in their home. He liked to artfully pose his embalmed subjects in creepy ways. An example is a severed child's forearm and hand holding a hatching turtle egg. This is a drawing of one of Fred's displays. Rachel helped create this drawing. Fred liked Nijmegen painter Otto Marsus van Schreik, who served at the royal courts in France and Tuscany. Otto was well known for his paintings of reptiles and insects crawling around fauna and the forest floor, a type of art in the Netherlands known as bosgrondes. When Otto died, Fred obtained many of his paintings and insect specimens. As a young girl, Rachel had numerous pieces from which to study Otto's paintings and Fred's displays to the many variety of flowers at the botanical garden. Otto's paintings had a great influence on Rachel's paintings. At the age of 15 until the age of 19, she apprenticed for still life painter Willem van Aalst. By the age of 18, she had already made a name as well as a living for herself while enjoying the company of the city's most popular painters of flowers as well as horticulturists. During this time, Rachel's interest coincided with that of the country, the science of botany, and the growing horticultural industry. Dutch artwork included still lifes, landscapes, portraits, and everyday life scenes. Rachel flourished with her paintings of scientifically exact flowers. During her studies, she had learned to place the flowers in a haphazard, natural way. Within her paintings, Rachel liked to include the many specimens her father had captured along with the flowers. She created this piece at the age of 20 called Insects and Lizards in a Wood. This piece is called Roses, Convolvulus, Poppies, and Other Flower in an Urn on a Stone Ledge. When she was 29, Rachel married a successful portrait painter, Urian Poole II. They would go on to have 10 children. Many have questioned how a mother of 10 could continue to produce such elaborate paintings. It is speculated that because Rachel's paintings were selling for twice the amount of Rembrandt's, money was not an object. The family was considered well off. Also, they had won the lottery twice over for a total of 75,200 guilders, or approximately 42,000 US dollars. That money would have allowed them domestic help. Unfortunately, money could not buy health, and 7 of her 10 children died as teens or early adults by the year of 1731. Rachel worked in The Hague from 1701 to 1708. She was the first female member of the artist society Kampfjara Pictura. In 1708, she was made the court painter to the Elector Palatine of Bavaria, Johann Wilhelm, in Dorsendorf. She gave birth to her 10th child, a son, during this period of her life. Rachel had such high regards for the Elector that she named her son after him. She remained the court painter until the Elector's death in 1716. Rachel continued painting her entire life. She was well celebrated by the Dutch as well as the rest of the world. On what would be the last of her 250 or so paintings, Rachel included her age of 83 as well as her signature. She died later that year in 1750.